Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So we had an amazing breakout with NTRB just now in the Intables room, over 150% on that breakout. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one broke out, what exactly we're looking for to have a continuation, although it has been on quite the run. And also, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that are mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute chart with you guys here on NTRB. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one broke out today. Over a 150% breakout that we had in the Intables room. So you guys can see exactly what gives us these confirmations on these major breakouts. And also, I do welcome anybody that is interested in intraday perspective breakouts to the Intables room in the description below. You will never miss a breakout alert today again. So again, here on NTRB from pre-market, we mentioned them at $4.75. I think it was about $4.30, but we're going to say $4.75 for the sake of argument. Mentioned them on this spike up to $5.37. Looking to see if we can continue, and as you guys can see, we had this increase in volume throughout the day, giving us multiple confirmations on this continuation. And as you guys can see, we came up and we tested $9, looking to see if we can continue from this consolidation. And as you guys can see, we have this increase in volume as we were testing and consolidating here and breaking into new highs. Again, breaking into new highs here on this volume, giving us this confirmation on this continuation. But considering that we did not have as much volume as we did have, again, testing $9 here on this spike on volume. So again, having a decrease in momentum here on this volume, showing us that we are losing momentum possibly. And we did mention exactly when we were testing $12 that this was very volatile and very high risk from here. And sure enough, did continue on down from here. And again, the reason why we did mention that is because we had our decrease in volume. And then as you guys can see, our next volume bar that came out was lower than all of the volume points that we had on our way up on this spike. So again, showing us that we were decreasing in momentum, and sure enough, giving us this sell volume that started to come in. And as you guys can see here on the MACD, we had this decrease in buy pressure as all of that was happening, showing us that we were actually losing momentum, and these EMA lines crossing down here, showing us that we were losing that momentum. And as you guys can see, we did spike up and we were looking to see if we can test $12, but I did not alert this one. So that way, just in case nobody would just hold this bag, we had this decrease in momentum, having this increase in sell pressure just as we were testing. So again, showing us that we were not getting that momentum that we needed to break over $12 here. So again, I did not alert this one, and we did have our continuation on down. Had the 20 now dropping below the 50, looking to see if we can cross back up. But as you guys can see here on this sell pressure, we continue to increase in sell pressure. We had some buy pressure, our last chance to possibly get momentum coming in. And as you guys can see, now we are increasing in sell pressure. And as you guys can see, the 20-day moving average did drop down below the 50-day moving average. Now looking to see if we can cross back over. And as you guys can see, we have this increase in sell pressure as we are trying to cross back over. So not exactly the momentum we have at this point in time that we're looking for. But if we are going to be looking for a continuation, we do want this 20-day moving average to cross back over the 50. And we want to make sure we do increase in buy pressure. We do have the EMA lines crossing below the MACD. We need to make sure we do cross back up and continue on up. Now, if we're looking at the larger time frame here on the 1-hour chart, so you guys can see what we're looking at for overall. Again, this was a news play from pre-market. So again, we were looking to see if we can continue. And as you guys can see, we were testing our previous breakout point that we had all the way up to $12.18. As you guys can see, we broke all the way up to about $12.18, got rejected. And now we are consolidating overall here on the 1-hour chart. So we will keep NTRB on the watch to see if we can break above our previous highs that we have here at 12.18 and our previous rejection that we had all the way here at 12.18. So again, very much on the watch to see if we can continue on with this consolidation. The market has been reacting to the major runners from the day before. So again, there is no surprise if anything from the day before does run the next day. As you guys can see with ISIG, multiple breakouts throughout the week with no news, just pure hype. So again, gonna keep these on the watch, these major breakouts from the day before. And of course, if we do get any confirmation here on a continuation, we will be mentioning them in the Intables room. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts and you have been experiencing the market being very slow, which it has been very slow, most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you Instables from the room that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, if you do like this video, it does help others find it. It does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.